Good morning, online owls. It's your Friday assembly. Today is December 11th, 2020. Let's get started by moving. This one you're going to have to really pay attention to.
Yoo-hoo! Welcome to Brain Break, the games where we energize our body to ignite our mind. Today's game, Jingle Bells Clap and Stomp Along. You get to keep the beat with your hands and your feet. Are you ready to go with round one? Here we go. Great work, my friends. Now it's time for round two, and everything is going to get faster. Amazing.
I don't know, did you keep up with that? That was kind of a hard one. I really liked that. I just wanted to share with you about the Hour of Code. If you would like to see some of the projects that some of our students did for Hour of Code, you can actually click on a link and your teacher will put that link in and you can play those games. If you go in and you do that, please be very careful so you don't change anybody's work or we lose any slides. You can just click on the link. I want to thank everybody who participated in the Hour of Code this week. I really enjoyed seeing all of you at the lunchtime coding sessions. We had a lot of fun. If you get a chance, check out the projects, and I'll have the teachers put the link in their Google Classroom. Next Friday, which is the last Friday before we go on the holiday break, is our next Spirit Day, and it's Sports Day. So wear something to support your favorite sports team. It could be a team you play on. It could be a professional team. I want to see everybody in t-shirts or jerseys or hats. Something to show your spirit for your team. And finally, it's time for the Friday joke. Where does a snowman keep his money? You're right, in a snowbank. Have a great day of learning and a safe and healthy weekend. We'll see you on Monday.